Welcome to my channel Shraddha's Study Point. Let's start with some basic concept of chemistry. Let's start with matter. What is matter? Matter is a thing which has some mass and occupies space. Very important thing is matter has mass and it occupies some space. Is called matter. Anything without mass or space is not called a matter. Whatever we see around us is a matter, like blackboard, whiteboard, wall, fan, book, pen. Everything is composed of matter. It means everything has some mass and it occupies space. Okay, it's matter. As we know, all matter exists in three states. What are the three states? Solid, liquid and gas. I know this is very simple thing, but it is important to know all the basic concepts of chemistry. Okay, so what is solid? Solid, liquid and gas. In solid, all the constituents or all the particles from which the solid is composed of is arranged in orderly manner and very close to each other, like this. You are familiar with this. All the particles are arranged in orderly manner and very close to each other. While in liquid, these particles are some far and not even like in solid. And in gas, much far apart and randomly arranged. Okay? And these states of matter are interconvertible. Means solid can be converted into liquid and liquid can be converted into gas. And reverse process is also possible. Means gas can be converted into liquid and liquid into solid. Solid can be converted into liquid or liquid can be converted into gas by the process of heating. While reverse process, gas can be converted into liquid or liquid can be converted into solid by the process of cooling. There is a very important property of a matter is kinetic energy. Every matter has its kinetic energy. Every particle of the matter has its kinetic energy. By heating, kinetic energy of matter increases, while by cooling, kinetic energy decreases. So when we heat solid, the kinetic energy of each and every particle increases and it start moving. So what will happen? The moving particle will be far, so it will be converted into liquid, and then when the liquid is heated, these particles, the kinetic energy increases more and it will be much far than in liquid and converted into gas. And the same thing for reverse process. Kinetic energy decreases on cooling, the energy of kinetic energy decreases, gas converted into liquid, and then kinetic energy of liquid decreases and converted into solid. Okay, so the concept of kinetic energy is very important. Okay, so this is all about matter. In a broad sense, matter can be converted into, in a broad sense, matter can be classified into two groups: mixture or pure substance. Mixture or pure substance. Mixture, either homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Okay, for the pure substance, either element or compound. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture means where the component of mixture, means each and every component of mixture is evenly mixed, is called homogeneous mixture. While in heterogeneous mixture, there is no even distribution of mixture. Okay, let's understand this with an example. The simplest example is the sharbat, the nimbu ka sharbat, which we prepare in garmi. Okay, what we use? Sugar, water and lemon. All three mixes. After mixing these three things, can we identify this? Sugar, lemon? No? Or yes? No. So this is even distribution. Okay, even distribution of each and every element or each and every matter. Okay, so this is homogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, suppose this is a container, here is a juice. Suppose we take this part or this part. Here and here. You can take anywhere. If we compare these two parts, even distribution, what we'll find? Even distribution of sugar, lemon and water. This is called homogeneous mixture. Okay. Then what is heterogeneous mixture? The composition is not uniform here. Here composition is uniform. In each and every places, or here, wherever we see. But here composition is not even, not uniform throughout, and sometimes the different components can be observed. For example, if we put some pulses here and we pour here some sugars, is this a even distribution? No, there is no even distribution of sugar and pulses. So this is heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout, and sometimes the different components can be observed, as we can observe here pulses and sugar. But here we cannot see different components in the mixture. Okay. Now, pure substance. I think it is clear what is mixture, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. These are the very basic thing. Now come to the pure substance. Pure substance. Pure substance either in element or in compound form. Element. Element can be either in the form of atom. Element either in the form of atom or molecule. Okay. Element is pure when composed of same atom. One atom like oxygen, sodium is an element, is a pure substance. Element but pure substance. Oxygen is a pure substance but element. Okay, these are atom. Magnesium, copper, these are atom. Now oxygen gas, H2. This is molecule. Why molecule? Because composed of atoms, not atom, atoms. Okay, two oxygen molecule forms O2. Okay, so molecule, but all are oxygen molecule. So this is pure substance. All is hydrogen. If we are talking about oxygen gas, there is not only one molecule of oxygen. There is a lot of oxygen molecule, but there is an even distribution or all mixture. There is all molecules are composed of oxygen. Okay. So this is pure oxygen gas, pure hydrogen gas, pure nitrogen gas. This is molecule. Okay. This is all about pure substance, element. Now, what is compound? Compound is a molecule of two different atoms. Molecule of pure substance is component of two same atom. But here compound, pure substance, molecules like water is composed of two hydrogen and one oxygen. So this is compound, pure substance. If we are talking about water in a container, then there is a same molecule is water in all around the container, but composed of different atom, so it is a compound. If composed of same atom, then it is element. If composed of different atoms, then it is compound. If molecule is composed of same atom, then it is element, pure substance. If it is composed of different atoms like water, it is compound, pure substance. I hope it is very clear about matter, its state and its type.